In this video, we're going to show you how to install the tailgate cable on your Honda Ridgeline located in the driver's side portion of that tailgate. Now, if you follow the cable down here with the tailgate open, you're going to notice right here it's a giant Torx bit. That is a T50. It's pretty large. Now, with the cable itself comes new pivot bolts as well as pivot washers. So I'm going to have those ready to go, but set those aside. Now, you also want to kind of lift up on that tailgate a little bit. I'm going to support it on my leg. You can have someone assist you while doing this job. Loosen and remove this. We can simply go ahead and discard that whole unit. Take your new cable, take your bolt end. Now on their bolt side, as it comes through, there's a little ridge around here. So when you install that cup side in, you should be able to snap that little spacer in there. You can hear it engage. Now we can simply take this, line this up. Get that started by hand. Now there's a portion of this cable that needs to go down underneath. There's a little post here. So this cable needs to go down beyond that, not up like that. Go ahead and snug that down. Now our new bolts here are a T45. Now we went ahead and installed our bolt and we snapped on our little plastic washer. Now we can line this up. Get that started. I'm going to tighten that down. And we can relax that. At that point there, your tailgate cable is completely installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.